It's time to stop the still. Today on Poor Choices, we are running culinary interference between you and your loved ones with some big-ass grilled steak fries, big enough to immediately fill up anyone with greedy hands. And specifically, I'm referring to girlfriends because guys don't steal fries. We're also throwing together a citrus thyme aioli to dip these in, and it all comes together fast, which is perfect if you've already got the grill fired up for other foods. Why can't you just get your own fry? Starting out, we need to make our aioli, and we're doing this the quick and easy way, so no need to concern yourself with emulsifying things or constantly whisking things and all that. You can absolutely do this the more complicated way if you want to and make a true aioli, but we ain't got time for that today. So I'm starting with a cup of mayo. To that, I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic ran through my garlic press, about half a teaspoon's worth of lemon zest, and 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1.5 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh thyme, and this is a little tedious stripping it off the stems, but it's worth the final product. A way more enjoyable experience. So just gently run your fingers down the stems, and the leaves should just slide right off with the motion. Add 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of honey, and some salt and pepper. Oh, and also just a dash of cayenne if you want a little bit of heat. Give it all a mix, taste, and adjust your seasonings to your likings if you need to, and then cover it up with Satan's bed sheets, aka plastic wrap, and let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. For the potatoes, I've got some washed russet potatoes, about 3 of them. Definitely make sure you get off any dirt, and I'm placing them into a pot of water and adding a good amount of salt. Then we're going to parboil these for 10 minutes. We don't want to cook them all the way through. We just want them to cook kind of halfway through. So bring them to a boil and then set a timer for 10 minutes and check them periodically just in case your potatoes are of varying sizes. If you poke it with a knife, it should go partially through and then meet some resistance. Let the potatoes cool for a few minutes so you can handle them, and then cut them into wedges of your preferred uniform size. I went KFC wedge size here, which by the way, I really miss KFC potato wedges. I don't know why they got rid of them. Anyways, I digress. But I cut them this size so they cook faster. We want that interior to be nice and tender, and all done at the same time. I've placed my wedges on a cooling rack, and I'll brush them with some canola oil and then hit them first with this Jacobsen black garlic salt. Then come back with some black pepper. Hit both sides with the oil, salt, and black pepper combo, and remember, fries shine best when they've got a good amount of salt on them, so don't skip on it, otherwise you'll have bland fries. And regular kosher salt or sea salt is good here too. I just like the way the black garlic salt pairs with the dipping sauce. You could also go with a fry seasoning or a Cajun seasoning or lemon pepper. It's really all up to you. Then get those suckers onto your grill, set up for direct heat. I've got my Kamado Joe going at around 400 degrees here. You can do this over charcoal or gas. And then let them go for a few minutes, maybe like 3 or so, checking to see if the side facing down is starting to develop grill marks or browning. If so, give them a flip and let the other side get some of that flame loving too. You can check for doneness in these with a toothpick to see if it goes all the way through. I kind of just use the visual of browning and grill marks to know that these are ready to go. And that's it. I think I grilled these for a total of like 3 to 4 minutes per side. It'll vary with your grill, but they don't take too long if you've got the heat up right. And that's it. Dip it in your aioli and enjoy. Hopefully you'll get to eat a good sized portion of them before those greedy hands start making their way to your plate. Oh, and my poor choice was actually a bourbon by Horse Soldier. I hadn't tried this before, but it was really good. And I got this because I was filming 2 recipes this day, so be on the lookout for some brown sugar bourbon wings. Hey, this is Poor Choices Kitchen. We have a Patreon linked down in the description. $1 a month is all we ask for to pay for recipes in these here inflated times. So we greatly appreciate anything you can do for us, and for all of those who are currently subscribed to the Patreon, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really can't do this without you. So until next time, I'll see you.